Happy Saturday, everyone. And the question is an altcoin season around the corner? Now, some analysts are getting very excited, and in today's video, we're going to recap exactly why they are, some of the latest news around the crypto space, and of course, round up with some of the figures. But before we do get into today's video, if you are enjoying these daily videos, be sure to hit that like button, drop me a comment, and please do subscribe. We are on a journey to grow together. Let's get straight into today's latest crypto news and start off with what the hell is going on when it comes to the altcoins. Now, is there an altcoin season incoming? Now, altcoins have broken out from this 3-year pattern. Now, this is coming out from some economists, some leading people within the space, and it's a very interesting article. It's saying altcoins basically have broken out of a notable cycle. Now, one of the most popular analysts on X, under the pseudonym, yeah, hopefully I've said that. I struggle with that word, but let's get on to it. Now, Mr. Mustache has identified a possible breakout for altcoins from the Gaussian channel. Now, imitating a pattern from 3 years ago, the same pattern was spotted in 2016, and it was started by the first big altcoins season in history. Now, let's get into this in a lot more detail. Now, the Crypto Cap Total 2 index by TradingView measures the total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies excluding Bitcoin. Now, Mustache used this index in the analysis, registering a 664.6 billion market cap for altcoins. Now, interestingly, a major altcoin season then happened 2 times when altcoin market caps consolidated inside the Gaussian channel within the weekly chart, and then it broke out from it. Now, if history does repeat itself, it is also expected to see Bitcoin's dominance, the BTC.D, falling below 50% within its zone, which has kept actually above since June 2023, and yesterday it actually reached 54.35%. So it's going to be very interesting where this is going. However, it is important to understand that the price reactions are no guarantee of future behavior, and altcoin season might not happen. But do you know what? This kind of small little study around the cycles has excited an awful lot of people on social media, and it may be why we've seen some of the reactions that we have seen. What do you think? Isn't altcoin season around the corner? I mean, we have seen some excitement. Yesterday, we saw Blur get listed on Binance. We saw a 38% increase in its price. Because of that, it's an awfully exciting time, in my opinion. Why is it exciting? Because nobody knows, and as people that trade, that provides us opportunity. Let's get into the next story. Now, the UK has advanced its fund for tokenization with blockchain technology. Now, if you're a Ripple or XRP fan, you'll be extremely excited about this. The report outlines principles for the implementation. The emphasis is all around inclusivity and adherence to industry standards, and of course FCA authorization. Now, regulatory support is being extended to investment administrators in the UK so that they can now tokenize funds using blockchain technology, thereby abandoning traditional record-keeping systems. This is a huge step forward for the UK. Genuinely, I can't believe that more people aren't talking about this story. It is absolutely huge. Stay tuned. This is going to get ultra exciting. Now, you'll notice yesterday into the video, I mentioned several times around CZ. Now, CZ is facing criminal charges. Now, if you don't know who CZ is, you've been living under a rock. He is the ex-CEO of Binance, and he could face up to 18 months in jail in the US. Now, as part of his bail conditions, which by the way was millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars, he has to stay in the US. But he has come out and asked the judge, please let me leave. He wants to head back to the UAE, which of course is Dubai. It's going to be very interesting if he is permitted the ability to leave. And yesterday we shared the story with you. Some in the US are saying that he is a flight risk, which clearly means they are worried that he won't come back. Let's see. The next story is about an epic airdrop, and apparently it is coming to the HTX. Now, Poloniex users were affected by recent hacks, and Justin Sun has come out and basically said, don't worry guys, good times are around the corner. He tweeted, as HTX and Poloniex approach opening, deposit and withdrawal, we will initiate an epic airdrop for users with assets. Please stay tuned. My deepest apologies to users affected by the hacker attacks. We will cover the losses and all assets are safe. Now, proof is in the pudding, Justin. make the people happy, give them back what they had. And you know what? If you were in there, this might be the chance for some free money, so go and make the most of it. Additionally, Sun informed that HTX Global has resumed deposits and withdrawal for TRX and USDT based on Tron, and both of these hacks against HTX came after the company's rebranding from Huobi Global, which took place on the 10th birthday in September, which was pretty interesting. I don't know why you'd go with the TX, but that's not for me to worry about. Now, Solana has eyeing a dangerous breakthrough. Now, volumes are hitting the roof with Solana. People are getting ultra excited. And why are they getting excited? Its trading price, let's have a look at its live trading price, is $59. So this article is like a couple of cents out, but it's still up tremendously in the last 24 hours. It's up 1.85%, so we're seeing some significant improvements, and it could recapture that $60 mark. Now, since Solana was rejuvenated in the last 12 months, well, last 6 to 8 months, its price has been on an uprise, and nobody can argue against that. And some bears will not allow Solana to form above $60. And I don't know why. I really don't understand. The attempt to reclaim $60 has become a key hurdle for Solana bulls who have been unable to work their ways in previous times, with the current outlook and resolve showcased to a 6.64% jump in trading volume to trillions of dollars. That's right, $1.3 trillion, which is an insane amount of money. There's a lot of people with eyes on this. Look at how it's going right now. You can see its market cap is up 1.91%. That is significant. But let's have a look at Bitcoin. You know we like to look at it. Yesterday, I like to tell you this myself, we called it exactly. We thought that we'd see a challenge towards the top of the range. We saw that exactly. So congratulations to anybody that made any profits on that trade. Of course, we never give financial advice. We just give our opinions and we share them across our community channels. Now, reminder, the top of the range is $38,000 and the bottom of the range is $35,300. Yesterday, we saw highs of around $38,240. So we tested the top of that range, and then we see this candle down. This in the 4-hour candle is one up, one down, back within our range. So we saw the challenge. But we thought we would see it because we thought Ethereum would move first, and it did. It moved first, and that's exactly what we predicted yesterday. As you can see, up and then down, up and then down. But where is different? Look at the 4-hour chart. There's many more candles on the 4-hour chart suggesting and showing you visually Ethereum made the first move. And we said it. We called it, so congratulations. Now let's have a look at it. The current price of Bitcoin is $37,787. I think that we will see another test of the top. Let's see. Not financial advice. Sit back and see what happens. And why do I think that we'll see that? Because we are seeing a slight uptrend on the Ethereum chart, and the next 4 to 8 hours are critical. But I am backing it to see some positive buying pressure. But let's see. And I'm having that buying pressure because I'm seeing the volumes across the bottom. Now, reminder, the current ranges for Ethereum is $2,175. And the bottom of the range is $1,960. Now, current price is $2,075. We are well within the middle of that range. We just need to see a little bit of movement. And for me, that's going to help me make an educated guess when it comes to Bitcoin. And as we are talking now, we are seeing a green candle forming on that 4-hour chart, which could see us test the top of that range. Now, let's have a look at some of the other performers. As you can see, the Fear and Greed Index is currently at 73. Greed, which suggests there is some positive buying pressure. The global cryptocurrency market cap is up 0.04%, which is very slight, but we're going to take it as a nice little win. Some other winners within the crypto space, XRP, believe it or not, is at 62 cents, and it's up 0.09% in the last 24 hours. Solana, we already know, is up around 2%. Chainlink is up 1.43%. Polygon Matic is down 0.45%. We're going to look at that in a couple of days' time and see what the hell is going on there and really break that down. But let's finish off with Crypto Bubbles. Crypto Bubbles is a great resource that I absolutely love. Why do I love it? It's a visual thing. The shocking one is just above my head with Blur. It is down 10.5% in the last 24 hours. Interesting. The Binance listing caused an increase in price, and then we saw a sell-off, which is eye-raising, let's just say that. Now, Mana is up 12.1%, Ape is up 15%. As you can tell, there's lots of winners on there. Go and check it out, but it shows me there's some positive buying pressure within the crypto space. Now, hopefully you are enjoying these daily videos. If you are, be sure to hit that like button, drop me a comment, and please do subscribe, and hopefully we're going to be making some money together in the future. I've been Crypto Jamie. Enjoy your Saturday, and let's go.